All I gotta say is this better be good because I can't feel my fingers. Coming to you live from the wilderness. And by wilderness, I mean my backyard. But it is very cold. It's cold out. Today we're going to try and recreate snow ice cream exactly how Little Bear did it in the episode. And I'll let you know my thoughts. And we'll see if it stands up to how much they... Sorry, it's like hard to breathe right now. It's so cold. My name is Bethany, and this is Joyful Habits. Let's make some snow cream. Welcome to the first Joyful Habits video of 2025. You probably already know based on the thumbnail and title of today's video, but we are going to attempt to make some snow ice cream. Now, for those wondering what snow ice cream is, it's basically just ice cream made of snow, kind of. Full disclosure, my inspiration for this did not come from a cookbook or a cooking show or anything of that nature, but from the children's cartoon Little Bear. Now, if you are not familiar, Little Bear is this very cute animated kids cartoon that I grew up watching quite a bit of and admittedly still watch once in a while. Yeah, one of my favorite episodes is the Winter Solstice Snowbound episode, which if you haven't seen it, I'll have it linked in the description box below. Highly recommend. It's super cute. Short little episode. But anyway, in that episode, Little Bear and his family go to visit Granny at her cottage in the woods, and while they are there, they get snowbound. And they have a great time of it. You know, they play games by the fire and, dance and listen to music and tell stories and all that stuff. And at one point, they make dessert by making snow ice cream, or snow cream, as they called it. They literally just open their window, they take a bowl, scoop some ice cream, add some things, mix it up, and then they're like, oh my gosh, this is the most amazing dessert in the world. I'll admit, even as a kid, I was a little skeptical because I'm wondering, does it actually taste that good? Or, were they just admittedly, snowbound? Standards for dessert might have been a little lower because they couldn't just run up the street and grab their favorite snack. Maybe they were a little desperate. Only one way to find out is to give it a go. Okay, so I'm outside because it's where the snow is. And I brought all my ingredients with me in this cute little basket, which I got for Christmas, by the way. Not that I need any more baskets. I've got way too many, but I could always use another. Now my neighbor's yelling. This is going so well right now. I have my basket here of all the ingredients we need to make this snow ice cream. And all we need is some, according to Little Bear, some cream, some magic ingredients, which I was assuming is vanilla, some maple syrup, and a bowl to mix it all in, and then obviously snow. And I thought about making this inside, but I realized as soon as I brought the snow indoors, it would obviously melt very quickly and all this magical sparkly snow would turn into water. I decided just to bring all the ingredients out and just mix it here, and then hopefully it will stay very snow-like. I will say when it comes to eating snow, eat at your own risk, obviously. Try to find clean snow, which everyone has kind of a different idea of what clean snow is, but stay away from the yellow stuff. Don't collect snow by the road. I would recommend, again, at your own risk, just kind of find what you feel like is the cleanest snow available to you. Okay, let's go get some snow.
Take a bowl, an ordinary empty bowl. Fill it full of snow. Add a few magic ingredients, a little cream, and some honey. And repeat after me.
Okay, time to do the magic poem. So we're going to stir it up. Whether the weather be cold, or whether the weather be hot, we'll weather the weather, whatever the weather, whether we like it or not.
Whether the weather be cold, or whether the weather be hot, we'll weather the weather, whatever the weather, whether we like it or not.
It's just like ice cream.
It's snow cream.
Blizzard flavor.
I can't feel my fingers because I am so cold. Okay, so we've said the magic little poem. It is now stirred and mixed, I feel like, pretty well. I don't know how good that looks, but it's like a slushy consistency, like kind of a creamy slush. So time to do a taste test. Brain freeze. I'm like already so cold. I don't really want to eat cold food right now, but temperature of the food aside, it actually doesn't taste bad. Like it's creamier than I thought it would be. It actually tastes the vanilla really nicely. Yeah, it does have a nice sweetness to it. And again, creamier than I thought it was gonna be. I'm like pleasantly surprised. This is actually pretty good. If you want to try this, try it. I think this is a fun winter activity, you know, just something kind of novel to do. So yeah, I would give it 7 out of 10 stars. Despite winter being cold and not necessarily everyone's favorite time of year, I hope you are finding ways to enjoy it and have fun with it despite all of that, like making some snow cream and some snow ice cream. If you're looking for more inspiration on how to enjoy winter, definitely check out my winter playlist. Last year we had a lot of fun. We made a winter themed tea party, so if you haven't seen that video, highly recommend it. And yeah, I'll see you all very soon for another video. I've got lots of fun ideas planned for this year. I'm very excited. Thank you guys as always for your support and for being here. I really appreciate it. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing, sticking around. We have a lot of fun here. If you wouldn't mind, please like the video if you liked it. It helps my channel out, helps get my video out to more people. I look forward to having a lot of fun this year with you guys and creating more stuff and making more memories and just finding ways to have fun, no matter the season that we're in, no matter how freaking cold it is out. As always, friends, my name is Bethany, and this is Joyful Habits, where we daydream and add just a touch of whimsy to the ordinary. I'll see you all very soon. And until then, don't forget to smile. Bye, friends.